And I guess I can do a video within a video. So this is the 36 by 74 by 24. Okay, I have this is the 36 by 72 by 18, I believe. So I'm just gonna put it together. Oh, it looks like you have to, oh, shelf 3 is light duty, shelf heavy duty. Oh wait, I'm sorry, just showing different ones, okay. I'm assuming, wait, oh wait, this is me on this side, okay. I'll just put it together quickly and move along. So here goes the part list here. It doesn't seem complicated. Looks like this is the shelf 5. No, I'm sorry, this isn't shelf 5. I'm trying to figure out what is. I'll figure it out. So far, I put one leg in. Okay, guys, these appear to be wall brackets. So I guess if you know you're not going to be moving the shelves, you can just, I guess, like so. They come with some screws and screw them to the wall if you like. It's up to you. I mean, with the legs, I mean, you just put them in and secure them, push them down real good, and you can come with the other shelf. There's nothing to it. Nothing at all. Another connector. It's not exactly clear. I mean, according to the illustration, I guess I'll figure it out, but so far so good. I think I see where they go. Well, maybe you can also use this. Yeah, folks, it's nothing to do. I mean, literally, you just make sure you lock them, and you can feel it going. Nothing to it at all. As my teenager would say, duh. I think this connects the shelves. So if you want to connect them, you can do that. Should have known, right? That's what we have to read, don't we? So that's how you connect them. If you like, I won't be doing that. This is awesome, guys. And this is the smaller one, by the way, so, and there's gonna be plenty of, so you're listening to certain folks, I should have just gone with this one. Menards has them on sale after rebate. We're talking 24 bucks. These will be gone by the time people catch on. Really nice though, great storage. Plenty of room up here. Just, it's, you know, not heavy. It's not, it's, you might want to say, I wouldn't say, yeah, cheap, flimsy, but it gives you exactly what you need, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start putting stuff on the shelves. What I'll do is I'll give you an example. Hold tight. This is like a video within a video, so you guys, you take care. Have a great day. And bye. Safety reminder, it's recommended that you put the heavy stuff on the bottom. So just use your brains on this type of stuff, okay? Again, I'll show my traditional ending photo, okay? But remember, heavy stuff on the bottom.